this poor Mini is still sitting there rotting away.
That's just a stupid boulder. It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
Me back is slowly breaking now. Cause I carry all the weight, it'll hold on me shoulders. I know I'm gonna make it out. Ain't nobody gonna stop us, they gon' do as I told them.
So what's up guys, today we are heading to the Nitro Nights fundraiser and we hear someone coming around the corner here. Who's this dosser? Oh yeah, with his new wheels. So we are off, Wayne is there, Dan is over there, has all the gear in the car. We're just going to a little car show, pop up the tent, sell some merch, get some money for Japanese wobbly pancakes. So yeah, see you there when we're set up. Oh, the boys are cold. Lit the fire.
What's that weird circle in the middle of the fire?
It is a load thing.
Howdy.
Oh, there we go. That's hard. That's better now. Ratio guys, we are just home. Absolute washout of a day. It wasn't a great turnout for the guys, but every stand that was at the show was €50, so it's for charity. It cost me 50 quid. I made €3 paid for my coffee. But yeah, bit of a shit day. Wet out, cold out, so gonna meet the wife, get a coffee, chill out, and yeah, head to the website, grab some merch and help support the channel. Head to the Patreon if you want to sign up to that as well. It's less than a cheeseburger a month, so next bit we're going to do is more the garage. That's pretty much all I can do. With that weather, I don't really think I'll get much done, but we'll give it a go. Good old reliable. Long weekend over. Yeah, in the Fiat, heading to college. Let's learn some more welding, and I think we're on to some metal fabrication, so let's make some stuff.
A few moments later.
So guys, unfortunately all week it's done nothing but rain. I think today is the only day that it hasn't absolutely lashed, but everything is soaking. But yeah, we're gonna get this all cut, that other bit on here, get that wall up, cut these back another bit and get the other wall up. Then yeah, that's 99% of the way there. So guys, it's been another couple of days. As you can see, still pissing rain, still a mess, still not much done, but I have one of the lads coming over to give me a hand to move this. Then I can have it up against this wall, I can cut that down, and then that can go in, and then I can get the other two up, bolted together, put on that over there, bolted together, and then we can get a start on welding the front. So yeah, it's just been absolutely miserable out, and as you can see, it is November now, so when you're watching this, it might be after January, February, March, maybe, I don't know. I'm just going to try and upload loads of videos as I am going. So yeah, Christmas lights are up next door. Need to get mine done, unfortunately. Christmas just ain't my thing, but yeah. This poor Mini is still sitting there rotting away, so we're going to have to move that over a little bit. I don't want to get damaged. So next bit of the video, you will see me cutting these and getting this up, and then we can get the front done. So this video might be like a month in the making, maybe even 2 months in the making to get all of this done. But in this video, I am going to get all that done and the front done. So let's go. So this is day 7 of rainfall. Absolutely miserable. I can't even get over that water. It's literally all the way up, all the way down. Absolute misery. So yeah, come back tomorrow and we see what it's like then. So yeah, next day, still piss and rain. Hasn't stopped. It's supposed to be down like this for the week, and we're supposed to get snow during the week as well, so can't get anything done out here. Come back in the next few days and hopefully it's a bit drier. So update time, still raining, hasn't stopped, and still a big puddle here, as you can see. Come back in 2025, maybe we'll have something done. So yeah, still same day. It hasn't rained today. It's just literally just staying here. Rained overnight. It's really miserable, but yeah, come back in the next few days and hopefully we can get this all up and more work done on the actual frame and covering of the garage. Yep, it is winter. It has come, and I started the fit at 7 o'clock. It's now 25 past. Still a little bit frozen, but happy out. All frozen. Ice, ice, baby. Yep. So yeah, nice and early. Need to brush my hair, but yeah, it's getting cold. When it's not wet out, it's just cold. So yeah, hopefully we can get some garage done today or tomorrow. Happy winter. So guys, yeah, it's very difficult to get anything done with the garage, with the weather being frosty as hell and raining, and then this, just trying to get home. It's now 25 past 4 and it's getting dark already, so it's very difficult to get anything done. So yeah, thought I'd update it during the video, and yeah, I'll show you something else that we got for Japan also. So yeah, December has been a fail, guys. It's been storm after storm after storm, and let's have a look. And it's raining now as well, so all it is, rain, rain, more rain, wind, everything been blown around the garden. But yeah, it's just absolutely miserable out. It's almost Japan time, so I'm hoping we'll get a bit of this done before we go to Japan, but it's just so wet. Everyone's busy, I'm busy, I can't get anything done with the weather. So yeah, maybe we'll leave this till after Japan. And not helping, the new car has shit itself. The gearbox is gone. Brand new 232 7-seater Dacia jogger, and the gearbox has absolutely shit itself. So I'm currently sitting here waiting for a tow truck to come, take the car and leave a replacement car to see how long it's going to take to get fixed. So I'm going to finish the video here. Sorry if you've hung around to see the garage getting done, but it's just been shocking weather wise and storm wise, everything wise. Busy with kids, the house, shit breaking, baby, wife, shit. But yeah, on to a positive note. I did buy a new camera, good for 4K. Got this for Japan, so I have two 1 terabyte memory cards, so I can get ultra 4K, and you only get like 40 hours of recording time out of one card. So I have one card and I'm going to buy another one when I'm over there, so 2 terabytes of that for Japan. Not going to be using the phone anymore, going to be using this bad boy. So yeah, this is the DJI Action 5 camera bundle, so you get your poly stick thing. Have this from the last time. So I'm going to do, on the bullet train, I'm going to do a time lapse passing everything and do a video on passing Mount Fuji, so that's going to be absolute epic. So yeah guys, appreciate it for watching. Make sure you subscribe, get ready for the Japan video. So I'm going to do a video a day when I'm over there, so we're there for 18 days, so there's going to be 18 videos on Japan. And one of the nights, the company I rented the Lamborghini from said that they now have a Supra, so I might be getting a Supra on the night drive around Shibuya. So yeah, I can't wait, and it's going to be epic. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed for that. Stay tuned, and I appreciate it for watching. Also, for everyone that has been on my Patreon and following all along, I really appreciate it. Be dedicated, and I shall see you in the next one.